Hello, everybody, and welcome to Introduction to Business. I'm your instructor, Mr. Benjamin. Um, in this presentation, we're going to talk about the framework of the class and what we're going to do. You're going to learn about networking. I'm going to talk about that a whole lot during class. It's so important. I want you to become familiar with our class shell, which is basically the website of the class in D2L. I want you to know the schedule and commit to managing it. I think that's really important to do because this class is going to move really fast, right? And then you're going to learn about the usage points you'll have basically during this entire class in the very first week. Okay, I'm going to really briefly talk about me. For over 40 years, I've been selling stuff. At first through catalogs, and then later on through online outlets, um, and then some other types of companies as well. I've worked for massive multinational, multi-billion-dollar corporations, and I've owned my own companies. So it's kind of run the gamut in between there. Hired, managed, and fired hundreds of employees, so I'm very familiar with managing. Um, I've reorganized entire companies. I've re-engineered very complex processes as part of what I do. I have a consulting business where I can concentrate on both of those things. And I've launched new businesses, products, in new markets, and sometimes on my own, sometimes within a bigger company. I got my MBA from Kellogg. For those who don't know what that is, that's the Graduate School of Management at Northwestern University, going part-time and working really full-time. And so it was a pretty rough couple of years. So I don't know if I recommend it to anybody, but it was well worth doing. So in summary, I know how to make businesses profitable. I know how to start new businesses up, and I know how to make old businesses grow like new businesses. This little summary, this little synopsis, that's something I call an elevator speech. An elevator speech is an important part of networking. I say that to people if I talk to them at industry events, at professional seminars, those kinds of things. I'm very versed at being able to talk about that. Okay, so a quick way to get into networking is join LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an online site that allows you to interact with other professionals. It's a hugely valuable resource. I strongly suggest you sign up for it right away. It can't hurt. It doesn't cost anything. You can pay for it. Don't. You do the free thing, and starts getting you working on establishing a network. Okay, we're going to teach the class in D2L. In D2L, we're going to communicate using email through D2L. I'm going to put posts and announcements also in D2L. We're going to find our course content in D2L, some of the presentations that we're going to do. I'm going to do some videos that I put out there for you in content, and um, and you'll find things in MyLab as well. We're going to talk about MyLab in a separate video, so don't worry about that right now. Um, but uh, we will access MyLab through D2L. You're going to complete and post your assignments there. You're going to take tests, and you're going to do discussion posts all throughout the class. All that's done in D2L. Okay, so by the way, D2L also is called Brightspace. Don't ask me why they got two names going, but basically it's the same thing. If you want to access some of the things we just talked about, you can do that in getting something called Brightspace Pulse, and you can download it as an app on your Android or Apple phone. And so that can be helpful. I'm going to put in a caveat right now. Don't take your tests through your phone. It's because they're timed, and if you lose a connection or something happens, you're in trouble because the timer keeps going whether you have access to it or not. Okay, in D2L, I want you to build out a profile and make sure you do that. Now, I'll show you exactly where that is in the other video, but I want you to put a picture in it, and you don't have to fill out every single. There's hundreds of fields, I think. You only have to fill out some interesting ones about you and things that you're willing to share. But sharing is an important part of networking, so people know who you are and what you're doing. So you're going to build a D2L profile this week. Okay, my lab will be accessible through there. Again, I'm going to cover that in a separate video. You're going to access D2L from our you access MyLab through D2L course content under something called MyLab Intro to Business Student Links. I'll show you that real quick actually, so you can see what that is. D2L looks like this. Bear with me one second. Okay, so here's the home page for D2L, and here's where your profile is. So that's where you're going to access it. And you can learn about your other classmates by looking under the thing called class list. All right. Okay. So you're going to you're going to get that profile filled out um, this week. All right. But in there, you're going to find, in MyLab, you're going to find your um, e-text. You don't need a textbook for this class, and you've already paid for it as part of your tuition and fees. And that's available to you through MyLab. You're going to take your quizzes and take some quizzes in there. You're going to do right after you read the chapter. And there's a couple of other features in there that are worth taking a look at. Okay. All right. So let's talk about the class syllabus. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but I want you to at least know uh, that it's there, and I want you to read through it. It's all required reading. You really should know what it's involved. You're going to learn about all the objectives we have for class. Now we're going to go about doing things. I'm going to cut to the stuff that I know that you're most interested in, and that is your how grades are figured out. So the way the grades work for class is we got some chapter quizzes. After each chapter, you're going to take a quiz. It's 10 questions long. It's timed, not real difficult. They're multiple choice. But that's going to help you prepare for the actual tests that we take, okay? You're going to take 10 of those, and so that's worth a combined total of 170 points, or 41% of your grade. You're going to take 2 tests, one about the midpoint of class and one towards the end of class. And those 2 tests are 60 questions each, and they're worth 120 points. You're going to do discussion posts every week, 7 of them, and you're going to reply to your classmates' original posts as well. And those are worth 70 points, or 17% of your grade. And you've got 2 assignments due during the course of the class, which are worth 25 points each, or 50 points altogether. And the scale is just like you think it is. It's an A is 90 to 100%, B 89 to 80%, C 79 to 70, 69 to 60 for D. We won't even go there because you won't do that. And this is a point breakout that matters. Last thing I'm going to point out to you is my office hours. I have an office hours between 11 and 12 on Mondays in a virtual meeting room, which I will share with you in a minute. And they're also, you can also meet with me. Either we can talk on the phone or we can meet in the virtual meeting room as well. So what I want you to do is email me and give me like 3 different times. First off, talk about what you really want, briefly mention what you want to talk about, and then give me 3 times that you're available to meet with me. And I mean 3 separate times, not 3, one right after another. And I'm sure one of them will work. Okay, and I'll reply to you. All right. Okay, so that's our class schedule. Now, I mean our syllabus. All right, now I'm going to point out we have something, we have a class schedule. The way to think about the class schedule is, and this is also available in D2L, the way to think about the schedule is we have a weekly kind of cadence to it. So we're going to be doing the same types of things every week, not the same material, but obviously, but the kind of the work and what you're going to, and how you are going to establish that basically is going to be done on a weekly basis, okay? So starting with next week, we're going to cover 2 chapters. The week after that, we're going to cover 3, as you can see, and so forth. And so that's what will take us all the way through the end of class. And again, because this is a condensed class, it moves real fast. We cover a lot of material every week. You're going to have to devote the time to it to get through this. I'm not going to say it's arduous or hard. I'm just going to say you do have to stay on the course. You can't put anything off. If you put it off, you'll fall behind almost immediately, right? And then we'll have some videos that are available, and then here's where your discussion posts are. There's more details than inside D2L on this. And then we also have our D2L tests, as you can see at the end. Okay, so that's the course. That's what we're going to do and what we're going to accomplish. Again, it's going to move real fast, so I want you to be really, really prepared to jump right in. Okay, so how do we succeed in this class? Like I've been saying, keep pace. It moves really fast, okay? Complete all your assignments on time. I'm giving you the opportunity to use, I believe, 2 OOPS tokens. That's my funny way of saying I wasn't able to get to the for whatever reason I was not able to get the assignment done or the whatever it is, it's fine. You get 2 of those, you submit those to me, and then I will let you know. You probably have like maybe a couple 3 days to get the thing done, and so it's a way to do a makeup. Okay, I'll show you where they are in the D2L video. You need to really keep up with your text reading and quizzes. Okay, I would suggest looking at the course schedule every Sunday to see what's coming up, and kind of prepares you for the week. Although, like I said, it'll feel familiar. You know, what you have to do this week will feel like what you had to do last week. Okay, participate in the discussions. Okay, and you're gonna and when you do that, you're gonna post material with the course material in mind. So I don't they're not blogs. They're purposeful discussions, and they are due on Wednesdays. And then you're going to reply to at least one other post by Fridays, okay? So that'll happen every week. So ask for help. I have the virtual office hours, as I mentioned, and don't hesitate to use email. Email me in D2L. That's the easiest way to do it, okay? So you might be asking yourself, why did I take this class? Okay, so I think there's some good reasons to take an introduction to business class. First off, business fundamentals are everywhere in your life, okay? So a lot of things you're going to cover, you'll be seeing very familiar to you. You're likely to work for a business at some point in your career, okay? Certainly in an organization. And in your life, you might work, pay taxes, buy things, invest, volunteer, vote. I hope you vote. And all those require a certain basic level of knowledge of business. The other thing I want to tell you about this class that I think is really great is that it's going to expose you to a lot of different business topics, some of which you're going to say, that's pretty cool. I'd like to learn more about that. And some are going to say, oh man, that's not for me. I do not want to do that. That's good to know too, right? It's good to check things off the list too, right? So I think that's what I hope you'd be able to get out of it. So what value do you want from this class? I'm assuming everybody wants maximum value, okay? Well, what is value? Value is the benefits you receive from whatever it is that you're consuming, divided by the cost of that. Well, the cost is about the same for everybody, but the benefits you receive, those are up to you. Okay, you're going to get input from me. You're going to look at the materials in the class, but your efforts was also going to determine what value you get. Okay, so as I mentioned, there's a list of things that you want to do by Friday. One of them is read the course documents and start here in the beginning of class. You know, the syllabus, the schedule, make sure you're real familiar with it. I want you to read chapter 1 and take the quiz in my lab. I'm going to post a video on Introduction to Financial Statements. I want you to watch through that. It's very brief. Take the test in D2L, and that's going to allow you to sign up for HonorLock. HonorLock is an online proctoring service that we have to use at Oakton. It's actually state mandated at this point, and so I want you to be able to have signed up for HonorLock. It costs $18 or something like that for the term. So definitely sign up for that one. You can sign up for individual tests, but don't do that. It's much more expensive, okay? I want you to fill out your D2L profile, and we're going to post a discussion and introducing yourself to class. Do that by Wednesday and reply to somebody else's introductory post by Friday, okay? And then I want you to schedule a one-on-one virtual meeting with me over the next couple of weeks so I can get to know you. You can ask me any questions specifically about the class, and we can talk about anything that you're interested in talking about. They generally take about 15-20 minutes, but they're very worth doing. Well worth doing. Okay. All right. So that ends this presentation, and thank you so much. And I wish you the very best of luck in the class, and look for other videos to come.